Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Culinary Experiments series. So, for today's episode, we are going to make something new. So you probably heard of this coat, twist, lick, and dunk. So now, we are going to do something different. We are going to be dipping them and then frying them. If you guessed it correctly, we're making deep fried Oreos. For step number 1, you get your Oreos, you insert a popsicle stick
in the cream part
of the Oreo, yes. And then you put them in the freezer. So after freezing them, we already freeze ours. We made them a while ago, so they're ready.
In the freezer.
Yes. So while waiting it to freeze, you have to get a large bowl. You can see here.
And then shake them. Shake.
Okay. So first,
Add the milk.
yes. So,
Okay.
oh no. We're making a mess already. Okay, go.
My whole hand is full of milk.
That's
No
one.
wonder why the cordon bleu looks like that.
No. Okay, number 2. So what you're gonna do next, after putting 3/4 cups of milk in your bowl, you put a tablespoon of vinegar. Let's do that.
Don't spill it.
Okay, that's 1 tablespoon, perfect. And then you're gonna leave this and put it aside for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to mix it, of course. Okay guys, you have to set aside the milk and the vinegar. While doing that, you get another bowl. You add 1 cup of
all-purpose flour.
yes, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. There you go. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the last part, you add 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then you mix it. Just like that. Okay guys, so after mixing all the dry ingredients, put this aside. And then you get this bowl again. So now you are going to add butter. We're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. So in it goes. Next, you add 1 egg. In the egg goes. Okay, and then you mix it. There we go. So after mixing, we will now be adding the dry ingredients. We have to preheat the pan. Let's put cooking oil. Because we're deep frying it. This might take forever.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, so now I think it is ready. Let me just bring it out. Take it out. Okay guys, so now our pan is ready. So what we're gonna do is bring out your frozen Oreos, and then you dip them in the batter, just like this. Okay, and then you directly put it in. Oh my goodness! Help!
By the way, guys, if you are a kid, get parental supervision.
Yes. this one. It looks good.
Oh no. Putting that in.
There we go. That looks so good. Okay guys, so this is the final product. Ba-bam!
It is lollipop.
Yeah, it looks like a lollipop. It looks like a cream puff. It's very fluffy.
You ate without me?
Yeah. Now I feel like I had too much. I feel like if I eat some more, I'm gonna throw up. So maybe you're just gonna do the taste test. So, how does it taste?
Oh, this is actually really good.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to click that like button if you did enjoy. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. You can do this at home. If you're a parent watching this, you might want to try this out. This recipe with your kid or your children. Or if you're a kid watching this, you can ask your parents to do it for you.
Or to help you do.
And as always, we'll see you next time. Bye!